Hi, it's John Colley here. I want to talk to you very simply about what a webinar is not. I guess the first question to ask you is how many webinars have you actually been on? Not how many have you done, but how many have you actually been on? How many webinars have you sat through the whole thing, listening to the webinar, enjoying what the guy has to say, working through it, and maybe at the end buying something from him, asking some questions, being really entertained and all the rest of it. Now, what you might think is that he just hops on or she just hops on and starts to deliver and chat to you, and he's got some quite nice slides and it's all very straightforward. But it's not. The beauty about webinars, and I say that because it means that if they can do them, you can do them. The beauty about webinars is that there is basically a formula to them. There is a system to them. There is a structure to them. And once you've been through this course, you will be able to watch a webinar and tick off each segment as it comes and understand exactly why the webinar presenter is presenting and saying what he is saying or what she is saying, and why they're saying it, and why they're saying it at that point in the webinar. There is a framework which I'm going to introduce you to in this course, which means that you can do exactly what they are doing, and you can probably even do it better. So what I want you to understand is a webinar is not a haphazard online event. It's something that's very carefully prepared and very carefully planned. And the beauty is once you learn how to do it, it's actually very easy for you to do it yourself. The hard work comes in creating your first one. After that, it gets a lot easier because you can reuse a lot of the material that you create for your first webinar in future webinars. So a webinar is not haphazard. A webinar is highly structured, very systematic, and it's something that you can do.